Hello, is Chrisley lives in Cartagena. Some of its tourist places are San Felipe Castle, Iretz, Kinseret, Old, Geret Siren, and one of the seven wonders of Colombia was built in 1657. Its construction lasted almost 3 centuries. Its historical garage Pickle Speed was the common target of pirate attacks, especially France. Nowadays, you can stall observe the Kenneth Center Tower of the castle and you can transit through the underground tunnels. I recommend try you can there. Visit this go-to garage because it reminds of Verapa history of that country. Another tourist center is the clock tower as Wallet's Landy represents the symbol of Cartagena. Its three entrance to this city. This tower was established in the 19th century and admired. Perez a statue that commemorates Pedro de Heredia, was the feudo of the city of Cartagena. Entry triumph test. The main gates of the city that symbolize for the clocks visitors with find. The square in it paths which was formerly slab mark.